Hey everybody in YouTube land. I'm trying to find where I'm supposed to look. I hope you're doing okay. I just wanted to touch base with you and remind you that besides making videos, I need to make some money selling art. So go check out my Etsy shop. I have a lot of smaller items there. Instead of like really large paintings, it's mostly resin or smaller pieces. Like this was a watercolor, Joy Comes in the Morning, with a little bit of gold leaf on it. I've started doing alcohol inks, which are so much fun. This is just a 5x7. I just finished this one, a 9x12. Nice and colorful floral. And then this was a mixed media piece with all kinds of different things. It's an abstract, very colorful. You know me, I love color. And of course I have tons of resin stuff in there in the shop. Like a set of beautiful three-dimensional bloom resin coasters, hand-painted coasters that are sealed. All these are heat resistant to 500 degrees. And usually they're reversible. I just did these and they're copper. I'll have a video on that soon. I have like two of these beautiful rainbow kind of bohemian looking coasters with gold edges. These were kind of like stained glass looking. Cork on the back. Beautiful shimmer in them. So support your local and regional artists. I might not be local to you, but support your artist. Give us a chance. I'm just being funny. I think I'm also going to put some sets of greeting cards on Etsy as well. And I've had a lot of people ask me to do the alcohol inks in card sets. So I'm going to add that to my Etsy shop. I also have started a new thing because I wanted to put my art on some other things and reach to people in a different direction as well. So I have started selling journals on Amazon, or books. They're paperback books. Here's a dream journal, and it has dream prompts for each day, and most of these are over 100 pages. You'll probably get at least 3 months or so out of them, depending on how often you want to write down your dreams. My dreams aren't worth writing down about. They don't have any meaning. They're just weird dreams. You know what I mean? This one is a prayer journal, and it's just ruled pages, cream-colored paper. It's geared towards women. It has a flower and a beautiful hummingbird on it. This is a large one with blank pages on both sides. You can write or sketch or doodle or whatever you want to write in this book, and it's got a beautiful peacock. And I'm even going to do some children's things. This is a handwriting book for kids 4 to 8. This would be, you know, maybe more so for a little girl, but it could boy, you know, boy can like bunny rabbits too, you know. And it has all the letters of the alphabet with lines and dotted lines so they can practice their letters, and there's numbers in the back, pages for numbers. Check it out. I'm going to have one with a frog on the front. It's going to be more geared towards boys. And I am going to be doing lots more of these because I want to get my art out there in different ways and affordable stuff that you can get for $10, $12, $15 that for gifts or for yourself or whoever. Check out the links below the video and look for my journals list. And I'll be continuing to do lots of resin. I'm going to be doing a little bit more alcohol inks, and of course I'll be doing pours. I'll throw a pour in occasionally. It's just I've done 700 or 800. I've got 100 or so out in my garage, so you gotta switch it up and do things differently sometimes. And there's a million people with acrylic pouring channels, so I just like to offer a little bit of change every so often. A little bit of my heart, passion for art, sharing with you because I love you and I care about you. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Hey there, I want to give a big shout out to Lori at Pizzazz Studios. Thank you for your generous donation, and I will see y'all on the next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.